Let's see the newest update from Ukrainian counteroffensive. The Russian defense is stiff, and Ukrainians have modest gains, but also losses. 2 videos from this week showing the value of more survival Western equipment. If this had been a BTR or BMP-1 instead of a Mastiff MRAP and Bradley IFV, more Ukrainian casualties likely would have been sustained.
На броню!
Video from a Russian channel of the assault on Novodonetsk from Tuesday by Ukraine's 37th Marine Brigade with MATV, Mastiff MRAPs, AMX-10 RC, and a Ukrainian M17 helicopter. Russian forces thwarted a Ukrainian counterattack on the Svatovo axis in the Lugansk region. Video of a Russian Lancet loitering munition strike on a Leopard 2 tank. Russians from the Urals were caught in the Zaporizhia region for the exchange fund.
Ты ебало. Фамилия, имя, отчество.
Сергей Федорович.
Откуда?
Урал.
Урал.
Meet the formidable AS-90 and the mighty Challenger 2 tank. Ukrainian tank crews have completed training in the UK and have returned home to continue their fight against Russia's illegal invasion. Leopard 2A6 in Ukrainian service. Switzerland has a creative approach to the organization of local referendums.
С такой анимацией в Швейцарии устанавливают в разных крупных городах на центральных вокзалах, чтобы швейцарцы могли проголосовать против путинской нефти. Участвовать в голосовании могут только швейцарцы.
The Spirit flying over Miami Beach.
Hey guys, Stella, come here. Stella, come here. Hey, we're gonna go eat sandwich. We're gonna go eat sandwich.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.